Hello again, and welcome to Favor and Life Ministries, where favor means approval of someone or something, and life means to create. You're existing, so you create. So you are here in Grace Creative Kitchen. Genesis 1:29 tells us that God has created every seed for our benefit. So we are going to be using seeds today, and guess what we're going to be making? Fresh almond milk. So here's what we have for you today to make your fresh, delicious almond milk. I'm going to be using a cup of almonds. These almonds, you're going to soak them overnight, and then you're going to drain it in the morning, and here you are with your nice fresh cup of almonds. So I have a little bit of salt here. We're going to put a dash of salt. We're going to put sea salt, of course, and vanilla. We also have cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and also here I have nutmeg extract. I'm not sure if you guys ever use nutmeg extract. I saw it in the store and I thought, wow, this is great. I always have nutmeg because I buy the nutmeg at the store, and I grate my own nutmeg, and fill my little jars. So, but when I found this liquid nutmeg, I'm like, okay, this seems pretty good. I'm going to try this. So I'm going to use it for you today because I've already used it. As you can see, it's 3/4 of the bottle. So what we're going to need is a bottle, of course, to pour your milk. I have here 2 gloves because you're going to be squeezing the milk through your milk bag, and you're going to need a funnel. So let's put the funnel right here, and if you're ready, I am ready. So first thing I'm going to do is, and of course we're going to need water. So I'm going to first add my almonds. Okay, add a dash of salt. 3. We have the vanilla. I'm going to pour the vanilla in now so that when I blend and squeeze my milk, everything will be all combined and it will really smell good and taste good. So I'm going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and same for the nutmeg. Alright, so 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, and for the cinnamon, I'm going to put just 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Okay, so here's the thing. You do not have to use the salt, the cinnamon, the vanilla, or nutmeg. You can make it plain because I've made it plain lots of times. But this is something different for those who really don't like plain things, like especially water. A lot of people don't like water. So water, plain milk to some is like just drinking water. But don't forget that although it's plain, there are lots of nutrients in the almond milk. So either way, you are not losing out with your additions here. Okay, so let's put some things out of the way. So now that I've put everything away, I'm going to add my water to the almonds. Okay, so with 1 cup of almonds, we are going to add, here's my cup, and I'm going to add filtered water. I'm going to add 4 cups of filtered water. And if you want it thicker, you can make it thicker, but 4 cups is just about the consistency of milk. All right, looking good, looking good, looking good. and you're going to enjoy it too. All right, so we have our 4 cups of water. So let's get blending. Almond milk it is. So here we are. What we're going to do now is open this up, and I'm going to put my gloves on, and I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to pour my milk through this milk nut bag. All right, so it smells so good. I can smell the vanilla, the nutmeg. Look at that. Just look how beautiful. All right, so you have to take your time and squeeze it because it will be all over the place, right? So once I'm done with this, then I'll show you what I have. It smells so good. So look at that. Look at that. It's all done. This, the pulp, you don't have to throw this out because you can make really great muffins with this. All right, so we're all done. Now I'm going to get a cup and I'm going to measure and pour in my bottle, and I'm going to show you my beautiful tasty milk. Okay. So here we are. Now let's get things together here. Here's my milk. All right, that looks good. That looks good. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this bottle, right? Look at this beautiful almond milk. So who wants to go to the store and buy almond milk? Not me. I'm making mine here. All right, so there we go. If you were here, it smells so delicious. But you are not, and that's why I'm making it for you, because I thought about you. All right, so now, oh, that looks so good. All right, so we're going to pour the rest in my glass here. Okay. Look at how beautiful. So there you have it. Beautiful, tasty almond milk. Now, I'm going to taste for you, and when you make it, put your comments in the description box below, okay, and let me know how it tastes. So, cheers to you. No sugar, plain with a nice flavor of nutmeg and vanilla, and just the dash of salt, just give it that really nice fresh taste. Now, if you have not liked, shared, and subscribed with your friends and neighbors and cousins and uncles and aunts, if you have not done so, please do so, that you may get notification as soon as they come about. And I thank you for watching Favor and Life Ministries. And remember, favor means approval and life means to create. So keep creating until I see you on the next video. I'm going to taste again. delicious. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next video.